I got some. I'm just going to incorporate a little bit more of them in here. Potatoes. Come on in, y'all. Now I'm going to add some chicken in here. Y'all come on in. I gotta get this creamier now. All right, put me a little pepper on her salt. Hey, 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 hey. We making chicken and dumplings. Hey, y'all. So, we finna fill the chicken pot pie. We're gonna get them in the oven. And, I put a combination of little things in here. And we're going to do the dumplings, okay? I'm going to focus on that. For the beef. I'm going to put some pepper. That's a lot of little keys. Okay. And now we're going to fill our container. And I'm still having these hot glass. Somebody help me. So what I did was I got my container. I got these little things I bought. So I can make these individual chicken pot pies. Like that. And then I'm going to place crust on top. And I'm going to dip these. But we're going to dip them in here. So I'm going to push y'all where y'all can see me. And now come here. Please hurry. I left my fan. Let me get my fan, y'all. Hold on, y'all. These kids slow up. Come on in. I'm finna finish cooking. I promise y'all. I'm finna dip. They huge. Yes, they are huge. But the good thing about them is these can feed. But some people can eat this whole pie, depending on how deep, how much you put in it. So I'm just going to make these. It's going to be a lot that's in it. But you go right now and get a chicken pot pie from KFC. You'll say they didn't give you enough. So I'm going to do a couple of these. And I'm just going to fill it so far up. Let me turn it around. I'm trying to not sweat myself to death, but I be burning. These hot flashes sting. Some of y'all don't tell the truth now. That's as far as I'm going to feel this one. Hold on. So then, I got 2 more of these, and I'll probably have some filling left. Son can eat this whole pie by himself. And again, I might just make a big long one. These hot flashes something else. This thing right here ain't even on high, but it feels so good. I put it on high. Y'all see my hair blowing in the wind? So I'm going to take my pie crust. I'm going to roll it out. I'm going to make this by pinching my fingers. Or you can use a fork. You can use a fork as well. Just kind of seal it. And then what you're going to do is you can poke you some little holes in here. You can brush it on top with an egg wash. And it's ready to go in the oven, okay? So we're going to do that in just a minute. And it's so much more better than KFC's because they use puff pastry mix. You know, it's just kind of flaky, but it ain't. It don't have the. It don't have the same as this pie crust. All right, so let's do another one. So what I'm gonna do is, I can make a big long one, or I can do these individual ones. I can do another and another. It'll take 2 pie crusts for each one. You can't eat a whole one. People do eat a whole one of these, you know. But I know when it comes to Eddie and Kelby, they ain't gonna eat a whole one. Yeah, the bottom crust. Somebody told me it was too hot for that kind of food. Well, Jermaine, if somebody can tell you what your body wants, then I ain't going to be able to help you. Because people eat the way they eat. And it's not based on how somebody tell you. Now, I don't cook heavy food in the summertime. But if you still eating at KFC, and if you go through their line and order a chicken pot pie, then how is it heavy because you fixed it at home?
Hello.
And that was my 10-year-old saying hello.
That was me.
That was my 11-year-old saying hello. So, nobody can tell you. You eat according to how you feel. Somebody might say it's too hot for cakes, but people still want it.
What's next?
So, I've always been in control of me. And I always know what I want. So, I like my homemade. I make sure it's good and creamy. I put no water in my chicken pot pie. I use no water at all. That's a keynote. You don't want water in chicken pot pie. Because it would mess it up. But you know, I'm learning how these people are on this internet. And some of them you would never deal with, and they know you wouldn't because their family don't deal with them. Some of them just messy. I'm going to take this, put it under the bottle. Some people just messy. I eat what I want to eat. And I'm finna fix me some dumplings. And they're going to be beef dumplings as soon as I get through. And some people will mess up your whole day because theirs is already messed up.
Lucy said hello. Mama.
Hey.
Lucy said hello.
I know it took me longer than 30 minutes to get back. But y'all already knew that. Yeah, he is asleep. He don't sleep good at night, but he's sleeping right now. So, he's laying down in the bed physically. He do better in the bed by day, but not at night. He got to adjust. It's just not easy. This is just a very serious procedure. Anytime you're dealing with cancer, it's not easy. You know, men, they try to be tough and strong, and they are. You know, but you can tell if you human, you know everybody got a human side. And, you know, I know my husband ain't ready to hear that like I don't want to hear that, or nobody wants to hear that. So he just rests. He don't, you know, he don't bother nobody. For somebody to try to come for him, he don't bother nobody. You can't get to him trying to get to me. It just ain't gonna work. So now we're going to feel this. You have to leave room for the bubbles and all that kind of stuff. I order these. I don't buy these at no store. Or either I get them at my wholesale place. I think these came from my wholesale place.
Mama, Daddy keeps giving me more medicine and I just had some. You gave it to me.
Yeah, I gave her some.
Mama,
Why is she taking more? Oh, I gotta go. I'm gonna go to the store.
Today?
I forgot to get that other medicine. I asked them to remind me what I needed. Huh? I done gave it to her.
I'm fine. I'm just feeling
Because I don't have it that till the doctor called more in.
And I'm just being a kid playing with Roblox. You didn't tell us to go get stuff.
I already done gave you medicine.
Mama, is that chicken hot pot? All you have to do is put it in the oven.
I'm gonna put them in the oven.
First of all, Aiden, don't jerk away from him no more because I heard you in that bathroom. Come here.
I'm on live, Kelby. I'm on
Okay,
live.
but she can get up here.
Okay, but I'm on live. You can handle it in a minute. But you can handle it in a minute, Kelby. Kelby, you hear what I said? Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. I'll be off in a minute. Y'all, let me end this live. Because I can't deal with this stuff. I'm going to have to go.
Mama, they keep trying to make me go over.
Let me go. Y'all, I'll be back. I'll come back. When I come back, I'm going to be making the... Look, I done messed up my whole pie crust. When I come back, I'm going to make the dumplings for y'all. Let me see what's going on.
Mama, she keep telling me.
And just
She's gonna try to hit me. She thinks
she not. I know nobody do that but mommy. Right. Who got you? Who got you? Who got you?
Yeah. And Kelby, last time I thought she started
What I say?
Ain't nobody making sense.
You good. You good. You good. You good. You good. You good. Y'all, let me show y'all this, and I'm gonna get off of here. And I will be back in just a little bit with part 2 of this life, honey.
bubbles. You're making bubbles. I feel like I was taller.
Mm-hmm.
No, what? I don't know. You got 43 comments.
Look, you matched that comment thing. Stay right here with me.
What's that stuff that came in, Mama? This my phone?
Huh?
This my phone?
It's charging my phone.
Let's say Tracy Coleman.
Daddy told me I had to get it.
Maybe you.
I thought you did say you did something to turn my phone up.
I'll be back in just a minute, y'all. I'll run my house. Okay? So let me go run my house.
I'll never keep trying
And then
to
I'm
bug
going to
you.
come back because I'll run my house.
I can't
All right? I'll come back in just a second. I love y'all.